it's supposed to feel.
Hi, I'm Green Gal, and I'll be reacting to Chainsaw Man Episode 5. Alright, so last week, Denji's found family grows a little bit when power drops in. At least she makes good on her promise and lets him cop a feel. Let's watch. Somebody stuffs. You should keep it.
これは
つけると胸が大きくなる不思議アイテムじゃ。
She hardly needed that though.
さあ、あと二もみじゃ。あんばいよかったじゃろ。
Oh, the stunned silence.
うぬらの仕事手伝ってや。
You know, she's lucky he has any measure of self-control. Some say Denji is still standing in that bathroom. Wait, is he sicking his dog on them at the end of that? Now I have to wonder about it. 'Cause he did that, you know? Really, dude? Well, is he gonna be like in a horny stupor for like ever?
おい。
Reh.
おーい。ちょっ。
Then again, he's kind of fulfilled his life's purpose all in one day.
悪魔。
What is there to live for now?
デンジ君、何か悩みでもあるの？
Quite the opposite.
でもいざ掴んでみるとそんなもんは俺が思って
I had a feeling he'd go through this.
なくて追いかけてた頃の方が幸せだったって思うんじゃねえのかって
But Denji's one of those dudes.
相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると。
I'm glad someone can finally admit that.
相手の心を理解するのは難しい
All
こと
this
だ。
lewd hand-on-hand action.
耳の形は
It's like it's time to tease Denji about foreplay. Hiroi.
覚えて。
Bruh! Well, he got 4 squeezes. Good for him.
お願いがあるんだけど。
I need to go to the store and pick up a few things for me.
10の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
10の悪魔を殺せたらマキマさんが俺の願い事何でも一つ叶えてあげる
Yes, that is literally what she just said. She better hope it's not something impossible.
例えば
何でもだよ、デンジ君。
うざい、ついてくんなよ。俺は一人で遊べるんだ。
Yada, play with your Toto. It's so pretty.
Daitai 5分弱で10の悪魔は今日まで姿を消している。
How did one demon do all that?
大丈夫でしょ。
I don't really get why they send just one person after these things. Clearly the combination of the 3 of them would be the best option.
ほら、くっついた。
Wow.
だからこの肉片をもっと大きくすれば10の悪魔にたどり着く。
That's pretty clever.
やっぱり10野郎の肉片食べてたか。
What was that, a tuna devil?
ごめんじゃ。
Is he bribing
早
them?
川先輩。
先輩、
よし。やり
畜生みたいな扱いじゃな。
お前らに人権はない
あのいたずらはさすがにまずかったな。
What y'all do?
いたずらレベルじゃねえ。殺すぞ。
怖っ。何があったの？アキくん。
Tell us about Curry.
じゃかわいそうだよ。
そんなことはやめてください。結婚前の乙女がそんなみだらな。
Why are they all so bricked up?
ベロを入れたキスしてあげる。
Where'd all that resolve go?
単独行動は危険だ。止まれ。危険だ。止まれって言ってるだろ。キラに唇を奪われる。
Don't be jelly.
ほっぺのキスは俺がもらう。
アキくんは死なないでね。
Don't be saying stuff like that. Other than spit on Denji and call a dog, I've yet to see him do anything. So I'd at least like him to stick around for a little longer.
使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。
A little harsh.
アキくんは死なないでね。
Oh, so she says at the beginning of every mission. Alright. Maybe it's like a good luck charm.
お前が持ってた肉片本当に信用できんのか？
You can hardly call that hunk of bullet meat. It's kinda cute. I think she might be too green for this assignment. So she can at least see it. I guess it's too early to call it a stand. Oh no. This is some backroom shit, isn't it?
俺ステーキ食ってみて。
Y'all need to leave. Oh. Oh my god, I swear this episode was 5 minutes long. This is definitely gonna have some sort of liminal spaces horror about it. That was very cool. Can't wait to see what happens next week. I like that it looks like they're dipping into, I guess that liminal sort of horror. Yeah, definitely getting a creepypasta vibe from that ending there. Yeah, that was real cool. Alright, tune in next week for episode 6. I've been Green Tea Gal. Thanks for watching.